Envision standing in a field encircled by a kaleidoscope of color and fluorescence floating in the passing breeze. Farm Tomita is a popular attraction in Furano, a town centered in Hokkaido. On a clear day, Farm Tomita is an explosion of color with its rainbow flowers seamlessly flowing into the sky. The best spot to view the lavender is Farm Tomita, whose lavender and flower fields with the Hitachi mountain range as backdrop are spectacular to watch. The popular farm is free to enter, and beside the flower fields has cafes and shops that sell a wide range of lavender-related products. Many other flowers make Furano an attractive destination also outside of lavender season. The viewing season takes place between June and September, although some flowers bloom earlier. And later than that, flowers include real blooms, poppies, and lupins from June, lilies from July, and sunflowers, salvias, and cosmos from August-September. Farm Tomita Lavender East is located about 4 kilometers east of Farm Tomita, about an hour's walk or a 5 to 10 minute car ride away.